right here.
The love can't get no bigger, can't get no better. How you saving us when on your chest ain't no letter? Heard you paid the wage for sin, but paid it with no cheddar. Paid it with your credit, paid it with 4 letters or 5, cause in the Greek agape is more letters. What matters is love is active, you're a big go-getter. And it's tight the way I do my hoe, is Beretta. Her love is rock solid like a stone that is Rosetta. Both men and women we sin, we're both debtors. Whether you got careers or rocket chairs or just so sweaters, let us be those sweaters, sweat, cause Christ so mirrors, saved in love when we were bugged like old Jetters. A savior, the savior who gave it his verse. He's able to save in his grace so we can say to his earth, I love you, man, I'm able to raise you, I made you from dirt. Put your faith in the one who's gracious cause he gave you your word. He loves you.
When I think about my sin and my past, I cry. But there's a love from above that cracked the sky. He got love for you, he got love for you, he got love for you, he got love for you. Why should he love me? My sins are stacked up. He shouldn't, but Christ died, trust him and back up. He got love for you, he got love for you, he got love for you, he got love for you.
Yo, hey, I appreciate your first, your praise and the attention given to me as Earth's most honorable mention. I gave you my might, my strength, my affection, proven by my life, my death, my resurrection, my ascension. Don't mean I lack being effectual. My swag is eternal, my love is active, perpetual. I ain't leave you here to be caught by vice. You cost too much, you were bought with a price. My love will steer you away from Satan's playpens and put you in a place of hallelujahs and amens. My love will keep you from the vile and the vagrant, keep you from inside of one of Snoop and Chris's vacants. So stop shaking, you can trust me.